ABC Educational Channel. Today let's have a speaking practice using daily. Use English sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
The milk is hot.
The milk is hot.
I pack my bag.
I pack my bag.
I go to school.
I go to school.
The sun is rising.
The sun is rising.
The bus is here.
The bus is here.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I sit with my friends.
I sit with my friends.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I wear my clothes.
I wear my clothes.
The bell rings.
The bell rings.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I drink juice.
I drink juice.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I go to class.
I go to class.
The teacher is kind.
The teacher is kind.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I write in my notebook.
I write in my notebook.
I draw a picture.
I draw a picture.
We talk a lot.
We talk a lot.
I listen to the teacher.
I listen to the teacher.
I asked a question.
I asked a question.
I play with my friends.
I play with my friends.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I read a story.
I read a story.
I go home.
I go home.
I see my mom.
I see my mom.
I hug my dad.
I hug my dad.
I play with my toys.
I play with my toys.
The playground is fun.
The playground is fun.
I help with dinner.
I help with dinner.
We set the table.
We set the table.
I talk to my family.
I talk to my family.
I eat my snack.
I eat my snack.
I drink water.
I drink water.
We laugh a lot.
We laugh a lot.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I wear my pajamas.
I wear my pajamas.
We eat together.
We eat together.
I read a bedtime story.
I read a bedtime story.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
I turn off the light.
I turn off the light.
I take a bath.
I take a bath.
I close my eyes.
I close my eyes.
I dream sweet dreams.
I dream sweet dreams.
The moon is bright.
The moon is bright.
The stars twinkle.
The stars twinkle.
I hug my mom.
I hug my mom.
I am sleepy.
I am sleepy.
I help clean up.
I help clean up.
Thanks for listening.